Good day, sir. I am Monte de Ramos Zygmunt Brian M., 18 years old, from Asin City, Southern Leyte, and I'm from BSMT-1 Delta. Regarding that question on do God really exist and how the universe began, I will try to prove that, and I will prove that only using scientific and philosophical evidence without any use of scriptures. So, everything in the universe that began to exist as a cause has a cause. For example, this watch. This watch existed because it has a cause. What is what is the cause of this? Cause of this is the manufacturers. They manufactured my watch. That's why it existed. Same goes with our universe. The universe existed, therefore it has a cause. So what is that cause? Who is that cause? That cause is God. How can we prove that God existed? We can prove that God exists through the concept of time, space, and matter. A God affected by time, space, and matter is not God. And these three should exist simultaneously, not time first and matter second, space third, not like that. Why? If we had matter and no space, when will you where would you put that thing, that matter? And if we have matter and space but no time, when we will not know that when it occurred, when it will occur. And the God who created these three, the time, space, and matter, has to be outside these three. For example, a God who created this watch is not inside this watch. He is outside. Same goes with our universe. A God who created the God who created universe is not inside the universe. He is outside. He could be above, beyond, or even through it, and he is unaffected by it. That's why he is God. He is timeless, spaceless, and immaterial. That's why we can prove that he is God, and that's why we can prove that the cause of this universe is God. Thank you, sir.